Okay guys, welcome back to this quick update here. This is the first trade for me today, and I think it's also the last one. Today's Friday, and yeah, I just opened this long here, down here. It was before the 10 a.m. open. I think I can show you where it was exactly. It was somewhere, yeah, it was around here. So yeah, 15 minutes after the 9:30 open, and right now we are ranging here, so I'm not quite sure if I should get out here or target this high here. But yeah, in this video I'm going to explain you this trade real quick, and yeah, maybe I will show you the update or result later. So my main theory behind this trade idea is, I think I can show the daily chart here. So what you can see here, we had London open here around 2 a.m. and we had a really strong down move since then. And for me, you know, I'm using the concept buy a low and sell high I'm using this on a really abstract and high level. So this is, I think, the most the highest concept when it comes to my strategy. And what I'm doing is, I only long below lows and only short above highs. So for me, there is no option here to short. Of course, I understand a lot of people when they want to short here because, for example, we have this really strong down sell candle here, and we have this inversion gap here, and fair value gap, sorry. Of course, it's totally valid to short here as well. So you can target, for example, lower here, but for me it makes no sense because we dropped already a lot. So that's the main reason why I'm longing today. And normally, and I think I can say this here as well, normally I would target the daily high or the daily open, so my target would be a lot higher. So you can see now my position is only targeting the 8 a.m. high, and the reason for this is it's Friday, so we have the weekly close in a couple of hours, so for me it makes no sense to go for a full target. On a Wednesday, for example, I would always target for the daily open at least, or for the daily high. That's it. And now let's take another look at why I'm looking for longs here. And yeah, the main reason for this is we had at 8:30, I'm not quite sure if we had news, so I'm not sure about that, but you can see here we had this manipulation up, and then I started to draw out standard deviation, and you can see we hit perfectly the -4 level here. So for me, there was a high chance that the down move in general could be over here. So I just waited for the 9:30 open, and yeah, then I took my chance to get an entry here. We also have an PO3 formation here. So yeah, for me there was a really high chance that the 10 a.m. open will be bullish as well. The only thing I don't really like at the moment is this 4-hour candle. So you can see this is the hourly. So the hourly is looking bullish. The 15-minute chart is looking bullish. We had a really strong close here. The only thing I don't like is we don't create a string on this one here. So you can see this is the previous 4-hour candle here. So this is the 6 a.m. candle, and this is the 10 a.m. candle here. And normally I also like this candle here to create a swing down here. On the hourly, the 9 a.m. candle did, but the 10 a.m. candle did not. So that's also one of the reasons why I want to get out at this high here. So this high here is in premium. Don't want to take any risks to stay longer in this one. And yeah, that's simply it. And you can see the position is here. So that's a live trade here. So the TP is here. And yeah, I think I'm taking profit. I think I'm reducing my position around here. Because, and by the way, this is a consistency account on TopStep. They have a new model. So now you can take payouts after 3 days, but then you have to agree on a 40% consistency rule. And I know 40% is not a lot, but I don't want to make too much. So that's also one of the reasons why I'm trying to get out here as well, a small position. So you can see I have 4 contracts open. I think I'm closing around 2 here on this level. Yeah, makes no sense to target for 4 grand a day or something like this, because then you have to make like 8 or 10 grand to get a payout. So I think that's not really nice. Yeah, just want to take a quick look on ES. You can see, ES looks a lot weaker, so that's a great sign. And yeah, on a bullish day, or if we have Wednesday, I would always target, for example, for these highs here. So this is the current New York session high, or yeah, something like this here. But yeah, like I said, today is Friday, so I don't really want to target higher, yes. So that's the main reason basically. And if you have any questions about this, just let me know. And if you want me to trade live, let me know as well. I'm planning to go live, to be honest, but I still need some more time. And yes. Okay guys, I'm back here. And yeah, to be honest, I just decided I want to get out of here, to be honest. So I'm no longer waiting for this target here. So I'm moving my TP to this high here because yeah, I have other stuff to do. I can't wait longer. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my TP hit. Maybe move it a bit more down. So yeah, still 1.3. Yeah, $1.3 thousand. So that's still a solid number.
Order filled.
Yeah, perfect. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you next time.